The distance in meter that a ball can be thrown by pupils at a particular school follows a normal distribution with mean 35.0 and standard deviation 11.6. Part 1. Find the probability that a randomly chosen pupil can throw a ball between 30 to 50. Okay, so in part 1, we have to find the probability that a randomly chosen pupil can throw a ball between 30 to 40. T is for throw. Now we'll have to standardize this and subtract the mean from both of these and divide the standard deviation. Now the T will become Z, 40 minus 35 upon 11.6. Simplify this and we get negative 0.431 and 0.431 here. 40 minus 35 divided by 11.6. Yeah, so this will actually give you a longer decimal value, but you only need to go till 3dp because the z-scores only go till 3dp in the normal distribution table. Okay, so now we know that this can be simplified as if you have minus a here, z here, and a here, this simplifies to phi a plus phi a minus 1. So 2 phi a minus 1. So I'm going to write 2 phi 0.431 minus 1. We'll go to the table, find the probability corresponding to 0.431. Okay. So 0.4 is here, 3 is here, so this is the probability, and 1 is here, so we add this. So we'll do 0.6664 plus 0.0004, which gives us 0.6668. So 2 times 0.6668 minus 1 gives us 0.3336, and in 3 significant figure we're getting 0.334. Okay, part 2. The school gives a certificate to the 10% of pupils who throw further than a certain distance. Find the least distance that must be thrown to qualify for this certificate. Okay, so probability Z is greater than this distance is equals to 10%, which is 0.1. So probability Z is greater than D minus 35 upon 11.6. We've standardized it, equals to 0.1. Okay, now I'm going to check, is this Z-score a positive value or negative value? So draw the normal distribution curve. We have a 0 here, and we know that towards the right side of the 0 or greater than 0, the probability is 0.5. But this probability is 0.1. That means the z-score is somewhere over here. This probability would be 0.1. So the z-score is positive. So we know that this fraction is a positive value. So this can be rewritten as 1 minus phi z is equals to 0.1. Because we have the rule probability z is greater than a positive number a is equals to 1 minus phi a. So we've applied that here. Okay, rearrange and we get phi z equals to 0.1. Okay, it's not z, it's d minus 35 here. So d minus 35 upon 11.6 equals 0.1. So phi d minus 35 upon 11.6 is equals to 0.9 after rearranging. Okay, so now we'll have to find the z-score when the probability is 0.9. This can be simply found here in the critical values given at the bottom of the page. So when probability is 0.9, z-score is 1.282. So this z-score is 1.282. So d minus 35 upon 11.6 is equals to 1.282. Now make d the subject. After rounding, you'll get 49.9.